Hi everybody, it's Mark again, and I want to talk about this movement holder that you buy through Time Savers, eBay, whatever. In order to work on a cuckoo clock, you have to put these inside the arms. Most cuckoo clocks, if you could get it to work on the top arms, it's better that way. But some cuckoo clocks, you could only get them to work on the bottom arms, and then some cuckoo clocks, you can't get them to work on either arms. These are good movement holders, but I don't think they're really designed for cuckoo clocks. If you remember, I got a video out where I was visiting my friend and he had this type of movement. And so what you do is you press the clock movement into the holder, and I just got through designing this one. So what you're seeing is the very first time for me using it. But as you can see, this holds it better than the other one. And the reason I made this is because that 701 movement that I got, and let me get it. Let me show it to you on this other movement stand first. Now I can put this thing onto this holder, but as you can see, it flops around, and so like I said, this movement holder is not really designed for cuckoo clock movement. And so that's the reason why I made this one. And by the way, if you can get your movement on this, as soon as you add weights to it, it's going to tilt on you. And so that's why I made this one. And again, it's going to push on the movement. And I think it'll work a lot better than the other one. Once I clamp this thing down to my table, it should not move. And once I add weights to it, move. So let me set it up, and then we'll get back to you. Stand by. And hopefully you can see this. Let me get some light in on the situation. Now I got it set up, and now I could figure out why the music is not stopping. this lever it's not adjusted correctly. So also you take these wires right here. You can easily connect them to your weight and easily connect them to your chain, where in the past I was using paper clips, and prior to that I was using tying wire off. But this movement holder is some scrap wood that I had laying around, and I took my saw and cut out. And I left the ridges. I didn't want to sand it down because the ridge is going to help hold that wood. With this movement holder, because it's smooth, I've already had to repair it once. There's a crack right there. It's just too much weight on it, and you tighten this butterfly nut down and the thing still moves. But when you tighten the butterfly nut down on here, because it's got the ridges, it doesn't move. The aluminum bar, I had to buy like a 4 feet length. I only used about 8 inches of it, 10 inches of it maybe. And so I think this, just in hardware alone, it cost me about $10, $12 to build this stand. The wood, like I said, I had laying around my house. But again, the whole purpose of this movement holder is it pushes on the movement versus pulling on the movement, and I think it works a lot better. I hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Why? Because it's free. And may God bless each and every one of you.